couple of weeks ago, I decided to set myself a bit of a challenge to see if I could get my lawn, which was looking like this, to look kind of like this, what I've had it in the background. Now, the challenge was to get it there before the start of the Premier League season. Today is the first day of the Premier League, first official day, Saturdays, football is Saturdays. So let's see how we've got on. And it's looking pretty good. Ho, ho, ho. Let's have a look and see how we've done it. Let's go. Hello, my friends, we meet again. It's been a while. Where should we begin? We'll begin on the back lawn today. So welcome back, 2nd of August. And I was going to do this as a bit of one big video to try and see, this is how I got my lawn from looking like this to the final result, and hopefully it's going to have pitch markings on for half pitch and stuff like that. That was the idea. But I've had a look around and we've got what seems to be some red thread kicking about the lawn. On the lawn there, I thought it was a little bit of, you know, the lawn struggling due to the temperature just dying back a little bit and stuff like that. But if we can zoom in a little bit more, there is some areas around which have a lot of more pink in it than brown. Because the lawn's not been fed very much, it is due a granular feed. It's well overdue a granular feed. I mentioned that, so I'm going to get on today because we've got some rain forecast in the next couple of days to help wash it in. But as you see your lawn, dry spots like that, but they've got some little pink ends on it. Yeah, it is red thread. Don't go for the fungicides, you don't need to. What you can do is put some nitrogen, high nitrogen fertilizer, let it grow out, grow through the issues that it's got. In a couple of weeks it'll disappear. If you cut in baggy clippings and get rid of them because you don't want them to be on. But that's what we're going to have to deal with today. So it's the first stage of trying to get this looking like a football pitch for the start of the season. And overall, it's not exactly the worst starting point apart from over there. You can see where the dogway's still there, but we'll get that rectified now. So first things first is we're going to go over with the Von House and remove plenty of rubbish. So we're going to try and do 2 passes. And we're going to go diagonally. So we're going to go up that way first, and then we're going to go that angle first. Bit of a change. Let's put the music on, let's go. So that's interesting there. So we've done, because I missed most of it off, I forgot to press record, but we've done almost, I think what, 80% of the garden in one pass. It's just that top corner to do, and the batteries have gone. So yeah, I might need to invest in some extra batteries if I want to do this long term, you know, if I'm doing doubles. But I'll have a brew, let them charge it for a bit, get the back finished, get that top end finished, and then we can suck it up, and then we can do a second pass going the opposite direction if the charger charges enough, and then go from there. But they were fully charged before we started, so yeah. There he is, the Hunters fans. And he doesn't like you though, does he? No, anyway. So, obviously we didn't do a second pass at the top corner because batteries. That's always going to be an issue with the batteries on a machine like that. The more power you require out of them, the quicker they empty, and the longer it takes to charge up. So, but we've done a bit of a job. I wasn't too concerned about this area here because obviously there's not as much grass because of the drought bit, but we're going to try and get the existing grass to thicken up and tough and tiller out with a good feed now. But yeah, overall, we pulled out quite, I mean, fortunately, my father-in-law emptied this earlier this week and we filled it back up again. Fortunately, it's bin day tomorrow, but this is all the matter that we've pulled out, and it's just, you know, choking the lawn. So removing all that, will allow the feed and water to get down to the root system, which is what we want. And also, I think what we'll do is, because we chopped away all of that damaged grass that's been suffering the red thread, that will also get a good boost of growth and grow through. So I'm going to put on, oh, feels like a bit of rain. So heavens are opening. It took that long to do this. So plan is now, get the 1044 on, granular, going on at 50 grams per square metre, so we're putting a ton of it down. It's not the new stuff with the Humix in it and the other stuff, it's just a standard 1044. And then we're going to go on with the good old Bishop Brennan mix, less the iron. So we're going to go on full rate Cal Mag, full rate Thomas Elliott, full rate Bio Booster, full rate Absorber and Agent, full rate Multurf. So the liquid product should start working pretty quickly, you know, straight into there. The granular product obviously takes time to get down because it needs to break down through water, and then it's going to have to taken up by the root system. So that's why you do the both, and that's why I do them at the same time, like all the people do. So let's quickly get this on now, tidy up, quickly get this on now before the rain comes, and then hopefully that will get it all washed in nicely. Get on this jig, there we go. Oh, and hopefully we'll have some results in a few days. Let's wait and see. Let's go. So that's 1044 on. I'm going to put the spray on now. Standard procedures, you see. And walk down between the paths. Got double stripes, as you noticed, so I'll be covering more area. But on that, like, subscribe, all that. We'll see you shortly. Probably in a microsecond, depends where I edit this video. I might let it go, we'll see. But like, subscribe, I'll be the same.
Attention, lawnmower starting now.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So we are 6 days since we did the work that you just saw a minute ago, or whenever I put it in the edit. So yeah, basically I'm trying to turn the back lawn into a what resembles a Premier League football pitch for the start of the season. So today is the 7th, or it's the 7th, it can't be. It's the 8th. It is the 8th because we started on my mum's birthday on the 2nd of August. So 2nd of August, just seen all the footies then. And now I'll let you know where we're at now, 7 days in. So it's had a couple of waters, but as you can see, the feed is kicked in big time. We've got a lovely green colour, and what we're doing now is we're utilising the Lymow +1, or Lymow One Plus, sorry, to do daily mowing to try and thicken it up. So this will be running for the next 2 weeks or so as this grass gets coming up and going. So for some reason we just set it up, it's doing it at these slightly angled lines, which is a bit different to what we normally do, but we've got it set up running. So we'll see if the Lymow can support over the next 14 days or so. It's 13 days I think, for when we get to starting the season. So far so good. We've got a slow pace, got a few stripes going on, but yeah, so far it's just nipping the tops off at 30mm. That's the lowest setting you can go on the Lymow, so if you can keep it in check at that, keep nipping the tops off. Maybe next week we'll be a bit rogue and put a little bit more product down on the lawn. So hopefully it'll come up trumps. So the idea is, this is what we've done, this is where we're at now. In this area we're still struggling a bit. You can still see there's a bit of poo there, but there's still some bits of dead and dry grass around here. It's still struggling, but we are trying to put as much water on as possible. We've watered a few times, we've had a little bit of rain, but not enough to wash down the fertiliser fully. So we still waiting for that to break down all the time that we put some water down. I put quite a bit of water down the other day. I've had to fill that up 3 times. I'm thinking it's overfilling now. Pause. Yeah, so we've got a little bit of a overrun here where yeah, it's just coming out there. It's too full. Anyway, so that's cost me a lot of money. But yeah, I think we're chucking it on here, so it's looking all right. So far, the colour's looking good. I'm going to try and keep it in check with the Lymow. And as you can see down there, hopefully, it's just taking the tops off and spitting them out. So that here will help. So you can see, just keeping a little of the clippings in the lawn, and that'll help put some nutrients back down, help retain a little bit of moisture as well by all counts. And that mulching process that it'll be going through, the tiny bits of clippings, that's why we'll do it every day. And hopefully that will all bring it looking good. But yeah, so far, the Thunder Tank is doing all right. So we'll be using that next 2 weeks before it goes back. Might as well make the most of it. I blame Mark Slade for saying, oh, why don't you use it for the back lawn? Let's give it a go. So yeah, Lymow, that's just going to give a little bit of a cut on the lawn for the next 2 weeks before we revert back to the Webb for the last couple of mows. So that's made it for a bit of an update. So we'll go to next week where we should see a bit of improvement, a bit more thickness, and yeah, a little bit more going on. Let's try and get it look like a bit of a Premier League style football pitch at the start of the season. Let's go. So there we have it, folks. In the background, we've been doing it, but welcome to Shawbrook Stadium. It's first day of the Premier League season. I'll show you now the games are going on. Blackburn are underway. At Middlesbrough, I believe. Leeds are playing. I'll get your foot mob on now. Where's foot mob? So we have done it. I mean, we've not made it for, we're 22 minutes past 3 on the first Saturday of the Premier League season. And I think we've come in a good result. So it's flickering, I do apologise, they're my teams. So we've got Middlesbrough beating Blackburn. We've got Chorley 0, Scarborough Athletic 0 and Nottingham Forest 0, Leeds 0. They're the teams. Also got 2-0 to Hull. We've got Everton 0, Crystal Palace 0, Ipswich 0, Sunderland 0, Nottingham Forest 0 and Leeds 0. But we're surprised if they're coming down here to play in a couple of weeks' time. So yeah, as you can see, some lines, they're not the best lines. I obviously made some cock-ups here. I didn't calculate to put the goal line where the goal would be, but it's not too, I thought it'd be worse down here, but it's not too bad. But yeah, a lot of fun. Just goal line technology is not going to be working here, is it, at all? Yeah, we could shorten them goals, it'd be all right. But yeah, Champions League ball there, ready to go. See if we can get it in the net. Yes, the first goal at Shawbrook Stadium. Oh, so task done, I think. We'll get the drone up, get some pictures of it like that. But I am very happy with how that has turned out. So people keep saying on the groups and stuff like that, when you're going to add some colour to your garden, oh, is that colour enough, colourful enough for you? This is why at the minute we've not got any bedding plants, because I've got 2 teenage boys that are football mad, and hopefully this will entertain them for the rest of the summer. So yeah, Waste, dead, dry, heat, battered lawn to a football pitch. Representative of Premier League. I like it. It's a sports sport, yeah. I'm very happy with what I've done. So like, subscribe, all that, follow, and we will see you on another video very soon. Take care, like, subscribe, and peace out.